When I try to plug it in certain places, some places would charge up to 50%, some places. Huh? Wherever I went, I thought.
Yeah, the one that would look like.
But see, if I was at the house, it'd be fully charged. But I had to
They still in your phone.
I have to. When it's down, it's at them 30 minutes, and they ain't moving 10%. Oh my God. At the house, it would have been a halfway charged up by that time.
Like I said,
somebody stole my original.
Matter of fact, I
met these chicks, right? Check this out. About
Friday.
3 weeks ago.
That's how, no, not Friday.
And they were sitting behind me on the bus and they gave me advice about jobs. I get off the bus, they come up to me talking about I'm cool, they want to be my friend. Check this. One of them was 26, the other one was like 21 or something like that. Talking about they were sisters, but they really weren't sisters, they were like family, best friends or something. Maybe her cousin was that little sister or something like that. Alright. So I gave them advice about looking for jobs. One girl said she wanted to apply, so I don't want to hang out for the day. I said that's fine, but I can't hang out too long because of this, and I, can't be out there like that, So me and her went to the Wendy's right there on Fairway Road. She went to Pleasanton. And they come out and look for a job. Now this one girl was dressed up very provocatively. The purple wig. The other one was dressed like a tomboy. Her hair was done. What kind of job am I getting when I get to my mind? They thought it was a job today. So I just told them to come out another day and dress up. But while I was at the Wendy's, the guy came to the table, he had been serving me. Now I served with him a couple times prior to going to that Wendy's. And he said, y'all here for an interview? I said, really? You see all this stuff, you think I'm here for an interview? I'm serious. He asked her, she said, that's like they think I'm here for an interview? I was like, no, all of them decided to work for Wendy's. He said, well, after that, baby, come back. And I'm telling her, I'm like, well, how much you start with? He said, $50. I said, just sure what's the big enough for the dress. You trying to take that one next? What's the Snapchat post so I can get $5 back off this Wendy's stuff? I must be stuck on stupid. I told her, don't you know where Wendy's are? You want to fly? You know, it's just far out. I said, Barbara must be ride from 10 at night, so this. How the hell's the fault? You got time to get to work and get home. I said, you don't want no dog. And all the girl was talking about was ding dong all day. Oh, he's so good in the bedroom. And every guy looked at her. Oh, they're checking me out. Oh, watch how they look when I take my wedding job. I was like, girl, your head is in the wrong space. You need to put some clothes on. Something ding dong all day. You go get you a job. They don't even go pay your bills. Right now, you don't have $1 to your name. And the girl cuss and say, you don't get some stuff together. You're going to be on the street. I ain't going to care. You stand for being honest. You say you'll be just like such and such and such and such and such. What are they like? She said they just stay up in places. Somebody comes to me every day. They can't find a job. She gonna be just like that. You don't stop. She said she's gonna put out. She said, I was like, wow. At the end of the day, I had my charger to this phone, which is the white one. You know how you get the white one when you get the phone. Plug in the Wendy's. All I know is I had my charger when I went there. When I got home, it was gone. I said, wow, I took my dang charger. You want to be my friend? I didn't realize it. I had to take back. It took me a week to figure out. I'll never leave my purse unattended. There's no way nobody could have done that and got my charger. It was in the wall in some type of way. Maybe she distracted me. Maybe I grabbed the phone and got the charger and got who knows? You feel me? That was crazy. Then told me to meet her downtown. Don't smell like my bus. I'm talking about they were going to job. Girl never ever came. I stayed an extra 2 hours waiting on them. And I had set up 2 job interviews for them that day. And come to find out, she never even talked to the sister. She lied and said that they both was coming. And I saw her small world at the county when I had to fill out the application, right? And I had cussed them in a text. I called them. I said, she's no bitch, we don't get along. I sent a text to both of them. I said, you folks, we don't get along. So she saw me sit on the bench waiting for the bus. She said, I ain't no broke BITC. I was like, you know what? It's not you. It's your people. Because I think you're cool as hell. She said, I told the girl, listen, I told the girl that she told me not to call for you no more. So I assumed y'all was in it together, like after me. So I said, after me. I said, I I don't call nobody out their name, but when you give me your behind the kiss and I know I waste my time my breath trying to help you, I believe you. You know, men get pregnant too and have menopause and all that stuff. Periods. Y'all have periods. That what you just displayed, he was on your period for a brief moment.
Yeah, for a second.
No.
Yeah.
For a second.
He was on his rag for a brief moment.
He got loud on his mouth.
I'm just messing. I'm just messing. Cheese, the evidence all on the chin or something. He's tomorrow.
I know he was eating.
Guilty
He got his
conscience.
stomach.
And he's trying to hide the cheese and it's dripping from your chin, too late in the corner of your mouth. He said. There you got me choking over here. Y'all gonna be able to catch the appetite. Y'all some fools. But see, when you meet people like that are fake, Tina, that makes you discouraged and not want to be friends with nobody, right? That wastes my time. I'm out here pregnant. You know, staying out here trying to beat y'all head up on the job. Y'all don't even want a job. I mean, you trying. It ain't gonna take my charger. So the charger that I've been using, it ain't the right charger. And my phone takes forever to charge. It never gets full. It takes forever. That charger used to little fast. It's a new phone. It just came out from myself. So I can't, even though the piece may fit in there, none of them work with the original charger. Huh? A J Bird or something like that. J3 Bird. It just came out 2 or 3 months ago. Anytime I get a new phone, I get the latest phone that's out. Especially if you give me a discount, give them free. Shoot.
Oh. Y'all know when it's on something here?
A lot of times people will befriend you and they'll ask to look at what you got day one. You got to be careful because they'll steal from your natural property, man. Catch you off guard. I tell people all the time, people that's hiring, they really want to tell you.
She said something about the apartment we were looking for one time. We came over there. That one of the that was our baby. You know what she said? So now it's they I guess people out there now.
Really, to start out, you're just with 4 months. I said we start out with a 2-bedroom. Because me and my baby can stay in one room, y'all stay in y'all's, and then when your baby comes, your baby has to stay in one room. Then that's one out of 3 bedrooms. It's possible for 3 bedrooms. Save money. That sounds okay? I can pass my stuff to you. This you have a boy, I can pass everything I got to you. You ain't got to buy shit down there. You have to close now. I take care of, just like I take care of my own clothes, my son's stuff is going to be taken care of. It's going to look damn near brand new. I have clothes that I've had forever because I stopped letting people in my house stop drinking with this family. And I'm clothes don't disappear no more. My sleeves. I think the old man had people in my house, but my family was still my clothes. Oh, let me tell you what happened. I'm on the bus sitting right there. The chick sitting right there by the little bar. I'm sitting right here. She looked like she was eating, right? She don't kept on looking at it. It's funny. She was like, God was telling me that this chick doesn't know my dude. Matter of fact, she on the way to go deal with him. But I told her I was coming on 3:15. But I was coming on 2:15 that day. The man that was supposed to be the girl that was get the car. I didn't call him ahead of time to let him know. So I wanted to see if I could catch him back. I do that all the time. So I see her eyeballing me, looking all nervous, over and over again. Like she on crack or something. So I said, it's like, you know, it's very just saying things. It was like, this lady gotta go turn shit with your man. And she finna get off the bus and she knows that's your man. Watch. She was like, you got to end the Park Street. She got off. When she was getting off right there, I said, can I ask you a question? Do you know what it is called? I said, why do you keep on looking at me? I never seen you before. I don't know you. Do you know Paul?
But yeah, I know.
I said, oh, you one of the chicks that such a thing. She started grinning from ear to ear. She was on the way to my house. So don't turn up with her. I'm not done. And what happened was he tried to call me when I was getting off the bus and I didn't answer.
No, you already know why I was.
I didn't answer the phone. He tried to call me once I got off the bus.
Man, you already know why I was saying.
Look though, this is how shit he is. I'm getting off the bus and he tried to call me. I didn't
I
answer.
don't over there. I don't. Just know that, no.
Once I got up to around the corner, his homeboy started running on
I
the
even
porch.
didn't read the text.
And I told him I don't want that homeboy on my porch. He had him up there anyway.
I'm not gonna touch her shit. I'm gonna tell it. I'm not gonna touch her shit. Oh yeah, it's cool enough, but I'm not touching her. No, I don't. No. She keep out. She keep looking. Yeah, I'm not touching it.
Look, this baby was born. You ain't never gotta worry about that no more. I'm telling you, steps like it, you ain't good.
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about
Nobody gotta worry about my you have to give me skill, whatever the hell you want. When you take every day, you take every day. Actually, you also should get steps. I think you gotta do all that. Oh, you got to get
My shit ain't paid. I'm waiting. You need to go.
You told me I couldn't get this from the child born unless I grew up paying some bills in my name. To get the spot though, I have to put something in my name and I can get stamped down. By that time, the baby be here already. Oh, well, battery by dad, I don't know. Let me see. I'll show you pictures of my chair. smile. I said,
Yeah,
that's
that I know
great.
he see you, huh?
I know, you know, little girl,
Here, it's what time is it?
boy, and she's crazy.
Okay, I'm gonna ride this one, then I have to do it again.
Well, you can, it just counts you.
Okay.
Paid, yeah.
Okay.
She looks like that, and she's 5'0". Still growing, don't go. She's just 13 separate. And look, never touched a basketball in her life, and guess what? She could ball like a champ. My brother-in-law coached her in the gym for 2 months, and the only reason why she didn't make the team is since she was 2 pounds too light. It was for me, but she's an athlete. At first, you know, kids change what they want to do. I'm going to be in the WNBA and stuff different next week. I'll take my time.
Go ahead. Hey, the round 11, what's your 20? Hey, the round 11, but 309, what's your 20?
I show it, and I am. No shame like that. I don't buy my tongue for nobody.
308, you know Fairview Road.
That lady.
10-4.
She went to get on her body with that man at the house. Y'all make me choke. Stop. All jokes aside, that's why she don't see it. She ain't alone. You tell what one bus driver told us one time. I ain't gonna believe this. That's what the bus driver told us. She was an older black lady. She was about to retire. She was driving bus for 30 years. She said she'd be driving all the time, high on crack and drunk. But, yeah, here's how much you can go home and dig her again. I was like, wow. That's crazy. I can't believe it. I know that's that. It admitted that too. Talking about she was about to retire. She ain't driving buses. That's some bold stuff. Never crashed the bus.
Y'all know y'all not supposed to be eating that pizza on this bus.
I ain't eating no pizza.
I seen some pizza.
We have 2 big long couches full of stuff. We got the car seat, controller, the bassinet, everything. And I spent the last that I had to I had no baby shower. So me and my own family bought everything. My sister's the only one that gave us anything. And then really what she gave us was like money. Like our retirement. First controller was like almost 200 with taxes. The bassinet was $50. The clothes that I bought all together, cards, flowers, whatever. Seriously, how long? Then my son, I gave him his birthday presents early. Bottle clothes and stuff. That's it. I had a bunch of money saved up 2 weeks ago, but buying stuff for baby, so I had over 2,000 saved up. I was gonna have a baby shower. My sisters were having money with me. My sister, she got to do 2 baby showers at this point. And I was like, my baby could be born anytime. Why would you have the baby shower when I'm 9 months pregnant? What if you have the shower after the baby goes? And it was such a big debate. I told Mom, you go home and I'll buy my baby stuff. Don't worry about it. You got a fuss like that. Put your friend's baby shower above your sister's. That's crazy. Only one. I was gonna buy a car with that money, but see what people don't understand is like some people be on transport. I'm not on it, but I do support my kids financially. If I don't think they go to choose, they won't get them. And they grow really freaking fast. My children ain't gonna slow out. My daughter done grew 5 inches in about 6 or 7 months. So you can imagine the clothes that I bought. She can get bigger and bigger and bigger. Shoe size still the same size thing, but I'm glad. That's a blessing. I'm really through that. But I love it because my parents took care of me. I don't care. No, they can have everything I got. I got skills that can pay the bills too, bro. I have to be a millionaire, but you know, you gotta know the right person. You gotta do it the right way. Like if I write a story about my life, period, I know to be a New York Times bestseller. If I can get in contact with Oprah, she still has her book club, and I get Oprah small stuff, I'm in there. How the hell do I get that to happen, right? Oprah, really? But she actually does help people get their books in her little thing, her book club. And they actually end up being New York Times bestseller. If I could look up and get that one. Now my ex said he wrote Oprah a letter and she actually responded to it on her show. He asked her to buy him a house. And this is what she said on the show. She said, I give away cars and I give away gifts. But please don't write me no letters asking me to buy you no house. He said he knew that was his letter. I was like, wow. That's funny, right? That's bold, ain't it? No, you know how she gets me gift baskets and trips and cars? He had the whole last time I could buy me a house. He said he knew that was his letter because she said it 2 weeks later on the show. She was like, you know I get gifts away all the time. Please nobody write me a letter asking me to buy a house. He said he started laughing. He knew that was his letter. That's cute. So she read his letter and can't find me to read. Look, hers is your kind of bestseller. So, 5 copies of hers, right? And my story is just as good as hers, better. Mine will be great detail. Hers was Michelle told at an elementary level for kids to read. So mine will be extensive, great detail, vulgarity. I ain't losing nothing out. Reading all their detail. Just like, you know, Corinne Sanders made that book, Video Vision. She was with all the stars. She was explicit with her content. My content was explicit. I ain't getting nothing out. Putting all the dirty junk in. That's how you get your money. Why be embarrassed when people like you and stuff like that? Get your money, right? Look, do you know that Corinne Stephens, her nickname is Superhead, right? She's in the Guinness Book of World Records. You know why? She's the biggest selling black author of all time. And all she did was write a book about being a hoe and screwing all the rest of it. One book did that for her. One book. She wrote about being a whore, really. What do you want to call it? Jezebel.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
She was a porn star, barely making no money, and that book solidified her as the biggest seller of Black Arthur of all time. Like, one of those. That girl's paid for life. She had death threats on her because, you know, she been with Snoop Dogg. All these people were married and stuff when all this stuff happened. Jay-Z, with Beyonce, she been with Nas, Ray J. She told details. She said Snoop Dogg couldn't do it. He sucked. She said Nas had a little thing. She said Ray J, she fell in love. Everybody be fucking with Ray J. I don't know what kind of stuff he got. What he be doing to the ladies? Yeah, they all fall in love with him.
People say that about him, man.
Yeah.
He's small. He's small. He know how to work that thing. Whatever it is.
Yeah.
He know how to work it.
All of them fall in love with him, doing it with him. All the ladies say, oh, I love me some Ray J.
Kim Kardashian.
All of them. Every girl that be with him, even if they just been with him a few times, oh, I fell in love with Ray J. Even K. Michelle said the same thing. She been with him. She fell in love with him. She quit.
You
That's
do.
tough, man. That's tough.
Everybody say
Yeah, it's all that.
But then again, he might have that big, he might also have that good baby daddy thing too. And with that double combination, it's both.
Exactly.
That's what it is.
That's what she
See, when I called my kid's father, it was like that. You know, we used to talk about how he used to cry walls and that's all crazy. My baby daddy told me I turned him out. And I was older than him, no, younger than him. And he had more experience, been doing it longer than me. Talking about I turned him out and I made him the freak that he is today. That's what he told me. I was like, really? He said, go. This is what he told me. He said he had never been with an info before, right? He was like, he thought I was crazy. So I'm like, listen now.
Y'all have a good night.
You too.
You were driving me crazy. I couldn't get no sleep. And I said, well, I said, you should have let me, right?